Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Princess Cruises experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Sapphire Princess. It's a ship that I've been on for over 2 decades and absolutely love her still. Now I'm in one of my favorite suites in the entire Princess fleet. This is the family suite. It's category S8 and it's a true 2-bedroom, 2-bath suite. Now I'm going to review the suite amenities and take you through the space here in just a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Princess Cruises, make sure you reach out to the experts at Hart Travel or book it right on HarTravel.com. We know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the Hart Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, being that it's a full suite, that means you're going to get all those suite level amenities. Priority embarkation and disembarkation throughout the entire cruise. Once you get on board, you're also going to find elevated service throughout. You'll have special access to the reserved dining room for lunch and dinner every single day, and you'll also have access to breakfast at Sabatini's, which is a highly elevated experience. Now you're going to have the full medallion class upgrades as well, which means your medallion is going to open your door. It's also going to communicate with passenger services and everyone around the ship who's serving you to tell them who you are, what you like, and of course you can order things in one place, have them delivered to somewhere else. It's a really unique experience in the industry, and I love what Princess has done with that. Now in addition, you're also going to have a complimentary minibar setup in your suite and so many more amenities throughout your cruise. Now let's tour this beautiful suite. Now, one unique feature is there's actually 2 external doors, so you can separate that apart. Maybe you're traveling with the kiddos, you can go in and out without disturbing each other. Now, right around the corner here, you're going to have the first of the large closets. Now, you've got hanging storage all the way across here, 2 large golf umbrellas to use throughout the cruise, and those extra comfy Princess bathrobes and slippers. Now, when I open this up, you're going to find your safe, perfect size for a passport wallet or a small tablet, plenty of storage up and down as well. Now this is the first of the bathrooms. In here you're going to find quite a bit of storage on the countertop, storage up and down, along with an upgraded suite amenity kit. You're going to have a plug for a razor and a little bit of storage underneath. Now you've got a full-size tub here and shower combo. Now I absolutely love that. I've traveled a lot with my kiddos and I really appreciate having a bathtub, or if you're someone that likes to soak, you can imagine going out one of the incredible destinations this ship visits, South America, Asia, Alaska, Europe, wherever it is, you can come back, have a nice bubble bath before you head on out and enjoy the nightlife. Got a floor-to-ceiling mirror here to get ready, and I love this nook because I always leave my key so I don't forget it. Now as we head further in, you're going to find the first of the beds. Now it's those upgraded Princess luxury beds. You've got great pillows, upgraded linens, and mattress as well. Plenty of storage underneath the bed to tuck your large bags away. And the bed does separate apart into 2 twins if that's your preference. Now you're going to find that you have nightstands on either side with USB chargers, so you can charge your device overnight. And then you also have nightstands with drawers. I love that because you can tuck things away completely. Directly across, you'll find the first of the large flat panel TVs, fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, in addition to watching television. And don't forget, you can always catch up on your favorite episodes of The Love Boat, the show that started it all. Now you've got a temperature control here, and there's several more in each other zone. Now you've got a US plug here. You're just underneath, I wanted to point out you've got your mini fridge, and you have a little bit of storage space. The first vanity here where you can sit and get ready. You've got your hair dryer, mirror to get ready, and then a little bit more storage underneath. Now as we head into the living room space, you're going to see that you have 2 sofas here. So it's really nice. You have plenty of space to spread out. You also are going to find that you have those USB chargers on the lamps here and a little bit more storage underneath. You've got a coffee table in the middle, another writing desk here, another large flat panel TV, and then just underneath here, you're going to find a bit more storage as well. Now, what really sets this suite apart is you've got another door here. I love my family, but this is one of my favorite features. You've got a door that you can shut completely so that you can have that extra separation of space. Now, as I head in, you're going to find another full bedroom. Once again, 2 full bedrooms, 2 full baths on Princess is a rarity. It's one of the reasons I love this suite. Now over here, you're going to find that you have another mini fridge. You're going to have more storage up above, 2 US plugs. You've got lamps on the nightstands with more USB plugs, 2 more US plugs here, and another vanity writing desk to get ready with a hair dryer. Plenty of storage underneath this one as well, and the beds can split if that's your preference. Directly across, you're going to find the 3rd large flat panel TV, also fully interactive. Having that redundancy is such a benefit, and you can see there's another temperature control here as well for different zones. Now this is the other external door where you can enter. And then as I head in here, I wanted to show you that you do have another full closet area, plenty of hanging storage, redundancy with the robes, and of course, you're gonna have more of those golf umbrellas, another safe, and storage up and down. Now this bathroom is a little bit different. As I step in here, it's a bit smaller. You'll see that you have your vanity here for storage, a bit storage up and down, plug for a razor, and then this has got a stand-up shower. Now it's got a shower curtain as well. Wish it was a shower door, but it's got good space in here, along with having the shower head up above. They'll replenish all your shower amenities throughout your stay, and then you get those little suite upgrades as well. So now we're out on your balcony. Now these suites are positioned in the front of the ship, and I love that you have side-facing views and forward-facing views. You can imagine heading into the Chilean fjords, the beautiful glaciers in Alaska, or any of the scenic parts of our world. Having this amount of space and the diversity of space is a really wonderful option. You've got a nice plush lounger there with a small cocktail table, a full dining room table out here. Now it's a great place for a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, or you could take advantage of one of those suite amenities and have every single meal right here served on your own balcony. Now, when you're ready to make this suite your home away from home or book any room or suite with Princess Cruises, make sure you reach out to the experts at Hard Travel or book it right on hardtravel.com. And we know we can help craft that cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value. You get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way.